Hello everyone, this is Sammy. Today we come to Foshan, Dali. Behind me, it is our Homee mosaic factory. Our factory has been established since 2005.
Have 16 years of export experience, covers an area 7,000 square meters with monthly 12 containers production capacity. There are more than 100 employees.
So, let me show you around our factory now. Let's go.
As we are glass mosaic factory, many friends will wonder that from one big glass, how to become a small chip to become a whole sheet and to become a perfect product you receive.
Today, we will let you know one by one.
This is our cutting workshop, the first production process, the large size of glass into smaller size such as 600 plus 600 mm. Our raw material is flow glass, normal white and super white.
The super white looks more white, and the normal white looks more green. Its operating flow. It is the automatic cutting machine. Let's show you how it works. Okay, let's go on the next process, printing. Oh, what is that? It is so cool, just like a rabbit. Can you see that? It can hold 2 pieces of glass at a time to put on the conveyor belt. And the parts are manual carrying. And now, mechanization has greatly improved the production efficiency. The glass will be washed and dried. If the surface is not clean, there will be stains and the color will be impure when painting. We also reconstruct the production line. The screen printing and high-temperature printing have been combined. All the glass through the house will be printed. You can see the whole line. It is very easy and quick. It can reduce the cost, increase the efficiency and the output. These glass have been printed and waiting for cutting. This is our cutting machine, cutting the big size glass into the smaller one, such as 23 plus 23 mm or 25 plus 25 mm.
Glass will be pressed into a mosaic with the roller.
And then the mosaic will be put on the refractory board to wait for frying. This is our QC. He is taking a random check now, so that pick out the unqualified shapes on time. The next process is frying. Before frying, we will keep the surface clean without dust. The temperature of skew is around 600 to 800 degrees. The length is 36 meters. This is our assembly line. If you are a customer in this industry, maybe it is the first time to see this assembly line, because it is different from other factories. We have reconstructed the assembly line so that it can reduce the cost, increase the efficiency. These good quantity products are waiting to be packed. This is our warehouse. All these products which has been packed are waiting for packing pallets. This is polywood pallet. And this is wood pallet. It has been fumigated. You can see the logo. Okay, finally, I would like to show you our loading radio. Thanks for watching. See you!